Hey everybody, I'm Dave and today we're gonna make Spanish tapas. Hey everybody, great to see you back again. Yes, after a long time I'm ready to make some food videos again, and today I want to do something Spanish. I've got a couple of friends and they are Spanish, and once every 2 months we are ordering Spanish food. Yes, just go to a website. I think it's yourspanishshop.es or .com, I don't know, I'm not sure. But we're ordering Spanish food there. You can get all varieties of food, from sausages like chorizo, dry sausages, but you can also get Spanish beans with all kind of stuff, hot sauces. You can get like everything from Spain. And yes, we are using that site. We are ordering through there and then you get the real Spanish food. Now, sometimes with all my Spanish friends we're having some bites, and some of these bites I want to show to you. Today we're going to make patatas bravas, and I've got a dish with chorizo, onions and paprika. So I hope you're ready. We're gonna have some amazing food. And by the way, I'm also gonna make some alioli myself. Ooh, let's go. So first things first, we're gonna make some alioli. Alioli, garlic sauce with some oil and egg. It's not too hard to make, but the longer you prepare it before you're gonna eat it, the more tasteful it is. So we're gonna start with some cloves of garlic. The more garlic you put in, the more spicy it will become. So let's see. 2 small ones and a big one will do the trick for me. Roughly cut the ends, give it a crush. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Now be careful for the hard parts. It's not gonna taste really nice. That's part 1. In the meanwhile, we've got an airplane crossing my house. Then we want to add a little bit of salt, a pinch of salt. A little bit, not too much, maybe a little bit more. We've got 1 egg. Crack it in. And we've got some natural oil. No extra taste. Just get some in there. You can always add more, but for now it will do. The kitchen machine. Plug it in. Full whack. Put it at the bottom and just work your way up. That will do the trick. Full whack. Slowly go up. There we go. You need to play a little bit. If it's not stir enough, if not stiff enough, put an extra egg in. And if it's too thick, you can always add some extra oil. Now have a taste. Ooh. That's really nice. So this is the alioli. First part of preparing. Then the potatoes. Be smart. The potatoes, get them in some boiling water for like 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes just get them off the fire and let them cool down. I already did it. It's preparation. Not really needed to film it because everybody can boil some potatoes, but about 10 minutes and then let them cool down. Time for some mise en place. Mise en place, preparing everything for later. As you can see, potatoes already boiled. And tapas. Tapas are bite-sized pieces, so we want to make some nice pieces to bite. These potatoes are gonna go deep fried in the frying pan, so you want to have some nice pieces, only a couple of minutes, and yeah, that will be it. Nice bite-sized pieces, and we're just gonna fry them. So they won't stick into the frying pan. So potatoes done. Nice bite-sized pieces. Step 1. Now, next step, the paprikas, bell peppers. Those are gonna go with the chorizo. And also these ones, I want to have them in nice bite-sized pieces. So roughly chop them. Oh, by the way, I got myself a nice little tool. If you see this one at the store, it's against flies. It's really helping. Flies won't come near the vegetables. Happy life. Onions, also here, not too small. So, mise en place done.
A few inches later.
Now, back after a long time. Barbecue is warming up. We're gonna put it full whack. We want to have some temperature. Here we go with the mise en place. We're gonna get ourselves a pan, a cast iron pan. Get some oil in there. Just a thin layer. As you can see, not too much. Remove the plastic. Get everything in there. Now let's see if I can show it to you guys. Also using my other camera. Opening up the barbecue. Get it in there. So get it into the barbecue. Let it heat up for a while. In the meanwhile, I've got myself my Spanish chorizo. Easy, you can just order it online. I'm gonna cut small pieces of it. Cut away some plastic. Oh. And the dog here, we've got a new dog, Lizzie, the bull terrier. And she's looking like, that's nice. So here we've got Lizzie. Hi Lizzie. Hello. Yeah. She won't have some meat. Now, time to put the potatoes in the fryer pan. But I already warmed it up, and let's work on this a little bit. So give it a stir now and then. It should be getting hot. You really want it hot. So barbecue on full whack. In a couple of minutes it's warm enough, we're gonna add the sausage, and from there we'll see what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna close it. Be careful, cast iron, really hot.
A few moments later.
With the temperature going up to 150 degrees, you can see everything's getting softer already. So a couple minutes more, and we're gonna add the sausage, the chorizo. Potatoes in the frying pan, and now we want to have some full heat here. It's getting softer and softer. Everything got a nice little coating of oil. Be careful, it's getting hot right now. Time to add the sausage. In goes package number 1. Package number 2. And now we're going to need the full heat. Pan really filled up. Now we're going to need the heat. All the flavors out of the sausage will go into the vegetables, and the taste will be amazing.
One eternity later.
Couple of minutes ahead. It's really hot, guys. Damn. Everything is becoming nicely boiled in chorizo fat flavor. Fat means flavor. So in a couple of minutes this will be completely cooked through. Yeah, it will be time to make up the plate. And I had to do I had to put the dog inside because he was smelling all the meat. He was going crazy, really crazy. So let's plate up and let me show you how it looks. Now let's do it. Die patata bravas out of the fryer. Adding a little bit of salt. We've got Himalaya salt. Shake it up. Put it on a plate. There we go. Nice. Homemade aioli. Drizzle it on top of the potatoes. You can always add a little bit extra. And if you like, you can put the hot sauce you like with it. That combined with the Spanish meat, with the chorizo, it's making it delicious. Now of course it's time to taste. So I'm gonna grab some onions, some bell pepper and a little bit of sausage. Ooh, that's hot. You can also take some bread with this, dip it into the grease, if you like that. Oh, that's a nice bite for me. Oh. Damn. Spicy chorizo. Oh, with some nice flavors. And of course, I will go for the hot sauce on the potatoes with the aioli. Crispy outside, fluffy inside. Perfect. Let's eat. Spanish food to enjoy with your family. This was Dave from Dinner with Dave. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. And we're gonna see each other next week. Bye bye.